Hello, hey, I'm Sikandar Aburaki from TubePlus24. Today I'm going to share with you one of the equipments that I usually use with some electrical devices for testing, and this is called the test lamp. In this module I can show you there is a AC bulb. Here is I am using 60-watt bulb. You can use it 100-watt as well. And in this board there is a fuse, one light indicator, that means it indicates the presence of electricity. This is the switch, and this is the socket where we will put our testing device. Some devices like the ATX power or amplifier or some other things where we are doubtful about the functionality of the device. So in that case we can use the test lamp during the development period. So for example, this is the ATX power supply. I'm not directly plugged in into the outlet socket, rather I am giving the socket here, 2 pin here, and through this testing lamp and the testing lamp 2 pin is going to outlet socket here. So I'm turning on, the power is here. So if I start, and you can see if I start, in that case the fan is moving, that means it started, but the testing lamp is not blinking. It means the device or unit is okay. If the device would have any short circuit or other things, that testing lamp would glow a bit or full. So this is the indication of the perfection of the testing device. So I'm showing one more time. So it is working properly. So fan is rotating. Here is green light, good light, and there is no blink in the testing lamp. So from here we can assume the device is working fine. I hope this tutorial will be informative for you. If you would like to see the bottom part of the things, here it's very pretty simple. I cut it according to the requirements to put a valve here and one socket board here, and I put the required fuse, indicator, switch and socket. Thank you very much for watching the video.